Today's class will be dwelling more on chemistry, as we'll be taking the law of chemical combination. The first one is laws of conservation by mass, laws of definite proportion or constant composition, law of multiple or variable proportion, or law of reciprocal proportion. Those are the laws we have as regards the law of chemical combination. Let's see how we apply them mathematically. We have 2.85 grams of an oxide of copper give 2.52 grams of copper on reduction, and 1.90 grams of another oxide give 1.52 grams of copper on reduction. The data above illustrate the law of, and the options are given. The foundation to the solution to this problem is that when we have x1 over y1 equals to s2 over y2, if they are equal, then it is the law of definite proportion. Another word for law of definite proportion is constant composition. If they are not equal, if x1 over y1 is not equals to s2 over y2, then it is law of multiple proportion. So our x1 means the mass of compound, y1 means the mass of metal in compound. So let's solve this problem now. 2.85 grams of an oxide of copper give 2.52 grams of copper. So 2.85 grams of an oxide of copper, that means that is the compound. We have 2.85 over 2.52. Let's see if the result will be equal or not equal. We are given, and 1.90 grams of another oxide give 1.52. So we have 1.90 over 1.52. So let's see the results as we solve the problem, if they are equal or if they are not equal. So we have 2.85 divided by 2.52. So we have 1.1. For this one, we have 1.90 divided by 1.52. We have 1.25. So we can see that approximately they are not equal. 1.1 is not equal to 1.25. Shows that this law is a law of multiple proportion. This information is very, very vital. Let's share it to our students. See how I've analyzed the formulas. Some students are bereft of information. Let's share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.